Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bluetooth missing from Device Manager in Windows 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Open Bluetooth support service. Change startup type to automatic. Stop and start the service. Click Apply, OK. Second method is, click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Bluetooth, click Run the troubleshooter. Third method is Open File Explorer. C Drive, Windows folder, System32 folder. Right-click fsquirt.exe, click Send to, Desktop Create Shortcut. Fourth method is type system information in Windows search bar. Click System Information. Find your motherboard manufacturer and model name. Paste motherboard manufacturer and model name in browser search bar. Click first one. Click Support. Click and expand LAN plus Bluetooth. Select and download latest version of Bluetooth driver. Open and extract downloaded file. Install downloaded file. Type Device Manager. Click Device Manager. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Type DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Type SFC, space, /scano. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.